Welcome to Click SEO, the best platform to increase click-through rates and climb Google rankings. The more visitors your website gets from a specific search keyword, the more relevant your website is perceived by Google on this keyword. Ultimately, your ranking increases and you will be ahead of your competitors in a few weeks. In today's video, I will teach you how to use Click SEO to generate organic clicks from keywords to your website. First, I highly advise that you log into the Google Analytics and Google Search Console accounts linked to your website. You might want to refer to some metrics to set up your projects. Done? Come back to Click SEO website and log into your account. Hover on the left navigation bar to click on Create Project. Then, click again on Create Project under Get Clicks on your website's CTR section. Let's fill in the parameters of your new project together. Choose what type of project you want to create. Depending on the number of tokens you allocate to the project, it will have more or less functionalities. Here I will create a ultimate project. Then, give a name to your project, like the name of the website that you want to rank. Now, select a pages per session count, which is the average number of your website's pages visited by a user during a session. Check your Google Analytics data under Acquisition, Overview, see the pages per session. Here, we can see that 4.87 pages are visited on average, so let's choose 4 or 5 visited pages for our project. Always choose more than 2 visited pages, as this will give positive signals to Google. Then, select the average session duration, which is the average time each visitor will spend on your website during a session. The longer the duration, the more positive signals Google receives, which will have a direct positive effect on your SEO. You should select the same average session duration that your website currently has, or slightly better. On Google Analytics, you can see this metric under the overview of the acquisition report, labeled as average session duration. Note that if your current session duration is of less than a minute, you should choose 1 or 2 minutes for your Click SEO project. In this example, the average session duration is of 2 minutes 44 seconds, so I'll select 3 minutes on my Click SEO project. Now, type or paste the website URL using one of those formats. You don't need to enter the URL of a particular page, only your domain. Depending on the keyword you enter on the next step, Click SEO will automatically find the pages ranked on the keyword to visit. That's good. You can validate and go to the second step. First, select the mobile rate, which is the percentage of clicks that will be generated from mobile users. If you choose 20% mobile users, then 80% of the visitors will be desktop users. To choose the right mobile rate, refer to your Google Analytics data under the mobile overview of the audience section and check out the mobile session percentage. Here, 1% of the visitors are from mobile, so I will apply 1%. If you don't know which share to choose, you can opt for 50% mobile share, which is the general average. Then, select a bounce rate. This is the percentage of users visiting only one page of your site during a session. On Google Analytics, go to the audience overview and check the bounce rate. Is it below 40%? Then you can apply the same bounce rate to your Click SEO project. If it's higher than 40%, then we recommend using a smaller bounce rate on your CTR project, around 20%. Finally, apply a scroll rate, which refers to how far your user scrolls on your website pages. This metric isn't available on Google Analytics by default, you have to set it up manually. If you've done so, check out your scroll rate. Otherwise, you can apply a 80% scroll rate. This is an important SEO factor, as the more visitors scroll through your web pages, the more it shows that your content is relevant. Done? Click on the next button to go to the third step. Let's apply the traffic repartition during the week. This parameter allows you to choose the share of visits sent per day. You can refer to your Google Analytics to see which days you receive the most visits. You'll find that in your main dashboard. For example, if the Click SEO plan you selected generates 100 clicks per day, and on your Google Analytics you receive 100 clicks on Monday, 80 on Tuesday, 80 on Wednesday, on your Click SEO project, choose 100% on Monday, 80 on Tuesday, and 80 on Wednesday. Once you've allocated the traffic percentage per day, click on the next button to move to the last step, adding your keywords. If you want to improve your ranking on targeted keywords in a specific location, this is where it happens. To find which keywords to target, you can open your Google Search Console, select the last 7 days view, and display the ranking. Type your best keywords on the Click SEO project field. Note that you should use only keywords on which you're already ranked on the top 100 positions. Then, choose a number of clicks for this keyword. The number should not exceed twice the number of clicks you receive per day for that keyword, as seen on the Search Console. For example, if a keyword receives 10 clicks per day on the Search Console, choose 10 clicks on your Click SEO project and no more than 20. Finally, choose in which country you want to rank on this particular keyword. Once done, click on Add to validate this keyword and repeat the operation as many times as you have keywords to boost. If you want to rank on one keyword in different locations, you must add one row per location. Done? Now click on Create to launch your CTR Boost campaign. Your clicks will start being generated in a few minutes and will be distributed through the day. Your project is now on autopilot. You will be able to follow the statistics of your project by clicking on your project from the dashboard and open the statistics pages. The following will be available: the number of clicks sent per day, week and month, the position recorded for each keyword, and the location chosen for each keyword. Now just wait a few weeks and see your ranking climbing Google positions. In the meantime, click here to see how to improve your Google My Business ranking with Click SEO. See you soon!